Welcome back, everyone. And today we are going to level up your content game by streamlining your audio processing and social media distribution. We are tackling two major bottlenecks: how to get professional-grade audio without an expensive studio, and how to distribute that content without losing your mind. Think of this as a complete audio cleanup and distribution workflow that is actually designed to save you hours of work every single week. First, let's do a quick audio test so you can hear exactly how much of a difference these AI tools can make for your home recordings. I am recording this raw line right now in my home office, and later we will run it through some simple AI enhancement to see the results. Normally, recordings might have distracting room noise, echo, or that thin sound that instantly marks a video as feeling amateur. You could spend hours in complex software like Audacity applying manual EQ, compression, and noise gates, but that is a slow process. Instead, tools like Adobe Enhance utilize powerful AI to strip away background hum and echo with just one single click of a button. It effectively makes your home audio sound like you recorded in a high-end sound-treated studio environment, which is a massive upgrade. The workflow is dead simple. Export your audio from your recording software, upload it to the enhancer, and wait for the magic to happen. Once you toggle between your original file and the enhanced version, the reduction in noise floor and the increase in vocal clarity are immediately obvious. Now, fixing your audio is the first big hurdle, but most creators stop there, and that is where the real struggle usually begins. You have this great long-form video, but you need to turn it into short, punchy clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Manually finding the best highlights, trimming the fat, adding captions, and picking thumbnails is essentially a full-time job. That is exactly where Vizard comes into play, and it is the second half of this time-saving workflow I want to share today. Vizard is an AI editor that intelligently scans your long footage to automatically identify the most engaging, high-energy moments. After you have cleaned your audio with Adobe, you simply drop that polished video into Vizard and let the AI do all the heavy lifting. It auto-generates clips, adds perfectly synced captions, and even suggests the best aspect ratios for different social platforms. This combination is powerful because it addresses both the quality of your sound and the logistical nightmare of distribution. You no longer need to be a professional editor to get your content out there, as this workflow handles the formatting and scaling for you. When I tested this, I uploaded my cleaned recording and hit the auto edit button, and within minutes, I had a batch of ready-to-post clips. The generated clips included everything from punchy highlight moments to vertical formatting optimized for mobile viewing. I could easily tweak the captions, change the thumbnails, or make minor trims to ensure everything felt perfectly on brand. What really makes Vizard stand out is its ability to find the moments that are actually likely to go viral, rather than just random segments. The platform looks for energy shifts, clear punchlines, and emotional hooks that keep viewers watching instead of scrolling past. Plus, the scheduling feature lets you cue your clips to go live automatically, which is essential for maintaining a consistent presence. The content calendar is basically a command center where you can manage, preview, and reassign your posts whenever plans change. Now let's be transparent. No tool is perfect, and Adobe's Enhancer won't do your distribution for you, just as a distribution tool won't fix bad audio. Some platforms try to do everything at once, but they often sacrifice quality, leaving you with either mediocre audio or awkward, poorly cut clips. This specific Adobe and Vizard combo hits the perfect sweet spot for me by focusing on high-quality polish and efficient, scalable delivery. Here is a practical tip for your workflow. Always try to record in the quietest space you can find to keep your source material clean. However, if you are stuck in a noisy environment, do not panic, because AI enhancement can absolutely save those recordings. Once you have enhanced your audio, upload the file to Vizard, run the auto edit, and then take time to manually review the results. Choose the clips that feel the most authentic to your personality, because that human connection is still the most important part of your content. Remember to polish those captions so they are punchy and quick to read, since the first line is always your most critical hook. Also, be mindful of pacing, because sometimes AI-generated clips can feel a little bit compressed, so a manual volume fade can make them feel more natural. Keep the raw, unedited vibe for a few clips if you want to show variety, as social media audiences often appreciate that behind-the-scenes look. The biggest gain here is time, as what used to take me half a day now takes maybe 20 or 30 minutes with this workflow. That extra time allows you to focus on the big picture ideas and your overall content strategy rather than getting stuck in logistics. Regarding tool costs, keep in mind that pricing and availability change frequently, so always check the latest tiers before you commit. By sticking with a specialized combo rather than a bundle, you often get better results for your specific editing needs. The bottom line is simple. If you are producing long-form content, you need to think in two distinct lanes: audio quality and efficient distribution. Fix the sound with tools like Adobe Enhance, then use Vizard to extract, caption, and schedule your content across your platforms. This is a practical, scalable way to turn a single recording session into an entire month of social-ready content. That is it for today, but in the next video, I will show you how to use AI text-to-speech tools to create voiceovers that sound remarkably human. We will compare the top options to see how they stack up when used alongside tools like Vizard for your video projects. If you want to try this workflow, start by cleaning a noisy clip, upload it to Vizard, and play with the captions and thumbnails. Those small tweaks make a massive difference in how your audience perceives and interacts with your content. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.